Welcome to this session about role tailoring Microsoft Dynamics NAV. My name is Jesper Lachance-Rabel and I'm a Senior Product Manager with Microsoft Dynamics NAV.
And I'm Morten Holm Petersen. I'm a Senior User Experience Designer, also on Microsoft Dynamics NAV.
So this session is the fifth in a row of 7 short videos about role tailoring Microsoft Dynamics NAV, focusing on making better decisions and fewer mistakes. The key element here is about having less windows open when you do your daily work, and we have a fact box that will help you provide information in any given context about the entity you are working with. But rather than trying to explain that, why don't we look at the product as such to see what it looks like inside NAV. Now, if I am standing here on a list and I want to find the right sales order to work with, in this case I of course, as a standard list, have some elements that I can look at. For example, I can see the sales order number, the customer number and the customer name. But I also have more information out here, customer statistics, customer details, that will help me find the right entity to work with. So as I move down the list, you can see how the information is updated in my fact boxes out here. Now, if I open up a sales order like this one, the fact boxes also help me understand how many of these items, for example, the St. Moritz storage unit, that I have in stock. You can see up here in the fact box that I actually have 20 items in my warehouse. I can also click on the number and go straight into more information about this particular unit. Now, I can also use fact boxes to make a decision whether or not, for example, when I have the customer on the phone, I might want to know what kind of other documents do we have open for this particular customer. So what I can do is I can add another fact box that we have, customize this page, fact boxes, and find my customer sales history. I add that, move it up to the first place, click OK. It flickers once, and now as I enter the sales order, I can see that I have 4 orders, 4 posted shipments, 3 invoices, and some return products that has come in. So the fact boxes help me provide a great overview of this particular interaction with this particular customer. I can also go in and customize the fact box to only show open orders and quotes rather than the posted documents. So now it takes up less real estate on the screen. Again, I can do this for me as an end user. I can do this for people of the same role that I have. And people of other roles can actually see different fact boxes that relates to the work that they have when looking at a sales order, for example, people in shipping and in warehouse. Morten?
So the key point about fact boxes is they can help users get information that they would otherwise have to go to other pages to get. We've observed users, lots of users, that in a standard task were supposed to go to 3 other windows to check something, but in most cases maybe there was nothing wrong, there would be nothing there to see, and sometimes, well, it takes some character to keep going to all those windows, so you may sometimes forget to look. In other cases, it's just a lot of window management. So in your company, think about which other windows do you typically go to from the key pages that you work within, or which other windows have information that you would like to see while handling a certain task. In the case of the sales order, the availability of items and the properties of the customer. How careful should I be, or rather how much should I try to help this particular customer? Are we making a lot of business with him? Are we making money with this customer? That will help me make decisions on this sales order. So people managers and employees work with each other to figure out which fact boxes would help you the most. And when you have a prioritized list of those, talk to your partner, because he can very quickly make such fact boxes that bring a few fields from another page into the current page and save you flipping to multiple pages, saves you that window management. This is the conclusion of the segment about making better decisions. We have 7 segments in this series. Please find the other segments online as well. and watch all of them so you become an expert in role tailoring Microsoft Dynamics NAV.